Hey everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to share Netflix account with friends. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you've got your Netflix app open. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page. Simple enough, right? Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll notice different options. Head towards the one that says My Netflix. Click on it, and you'll find your Netflix username. Just tap on the drop-down arrow next to it. Alright. Look for the option that says Manage Profiles. Once you tap on it, you'll see that you can have up to 5 profiles on a single Netflix account. If you've got an unused profile, you'll see a plus icon. Now, click on the profile that you want to share with your friends. From here, you can easily set up a new Netflix profile. Just type in the name of the person you want to share the account with, and customize all the settings to your liking. Once you're done, hit that Done button. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.